Hey guys, it's NomNom1891 and I'm going to show you how to make your own website from scratch. Okay, what you want to do is you need to get Notepad++, which you can download from the internet, which this came with my computer. Okay, but you can just go to Google and search Notepad++ and there's a whole bunch of downloads. Okay, first create a new folder like this. You can name it anything. Okay, now open Notepad++. And before you do anything, you go to File, Save As, and go to the location where your folder is and name it anything. The basic name for it is index, and after any name you name it, you have to do .html. Save. You could minimize it for web page and double click that, and it will take you to this blank web. It's not really a website yet, you're just making it. To publish it, you would go to Google and search up website publishers, and there's a whole bunch of them out there. Okay, now I'm going to show you the basic layout of a website. Okay, this is what you need to do. HTML. This is what everything's going to be in. It's going to be in less than and greater than signs. Okay, and this is the closing sign for everything. Less than sign and then a slash. Okay, now HTML, and in that, between HTML, you want to do header. Okay, close header. Okay, now do the body. Now close the body. Okay, now before you do anything, if you want to add background color to your site, you do BG color equals, and then you type in number. Now I know 3 basic HTML color codes. I'm going to do gray for my background color, which is 737373, and then to the color of the text, you type in text equals and then the number. And here's another one of them, which is black at 000000. I'm gonna do white though. White is FFF. And if you're wondering, yes, all of them are 6 numbers or letters. Refresh. See. Now if you want to find different ones, you go to your web browser and type in colorpicker.com. There you have it. As I've been to that site. See this right here? You can go to any color, click and drag around whatever you want. See, there's gray. There's the original gray, 7373. Like, let's say I wanted a specific color of green. You do that, and you would copy the code. You would go back to your website and type it in there. Okay. Oh, that's how you get the color. Now I'm going to show you how to write on it. You will do this, which is for paragraph. I'm going to type in welcome to my website, and then to close it, you would do that, and you would save it. You must save it before you go back to it, or else it won't work. And you save it, you go back and you refresh it, and it'll pop up. Welcome to my website. Now I'm going to show you how to make this text go in the middle right there. Okay. Notepad++, and it's really easy. Just go like that and center, and then right there you close it like that, and save your website, and you would do refresh. It's right there. Now I'm gonna show you how to get a link. Okay, what you need to do is, like, you can do it below the paragraph if you want to. You do less than sign, a lowercase a, space href equals quotations, and then the website. I think I already have it copied. Yeah, there's my YouTube, there's my channel. Okay, now at the end you would do quotation marks again. You would do this, and right where you type here, it would be what the link would say. Okay, and before you do that, I'm going to show you how to make it bold, how to make it italic, or how to make it underlined. I wouldn't do underline because it's already going to be underlined because it's a link. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Okay, here's bold. It's capital B. Here's U, underline, and here's italic. I like italic, so I'm going to use italic. I'm going to put in, click here to go to my channel. Okay, and then close it like that. Save, go back, refresh, click. It would take you to my channel. Like I said, you can do any URL you want and put it in there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to make a table. Okay, this is the table thing, like that. Okay, and then make sure whenever you do it, you would do it right below this, right before it goes that and below it, and you would do table row, and then you would type in what the title of the table would be. I'm going to do my favorite numbers, and then you would close it. Right here is the only time you close it, right next to it. Okay, enter, like that, and this is table column, and here's the list. If you want to organize the list, an organized list is that, and it's where it's like numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, and an unorganized list is that which is like those big bold periods like before, and I like untitled unorganized list better. Okay, now on this one you don't have to go right there, you just have to, yeah. So you do that, LI, which stands for list item, and I'm gonna do 18 because that's one of my favorite numbers, and then I'm gonna make another one like that. 22 is another one of my favorite numbers. Okay, and then you would close the list. You would close the column, and you would close the table. Okay, save, go to the website, refresh. See? And if you would want to do a border around it, I forgot how, but if you want to, you would open up your web browser, and I'm going to give you 2 sites that would help you. HTML help would help you with attributes, which is the things like body and the paragraph sign and everything. You would search it up and you would do attribute after it, and it would give you it. And here's another site. This is learning about C++ language if you don't know it already. C++ language is computer language, basically. It's what you program video games and websites and everything with. And this website right here, c++.com, will give you all the information you need about C++ language. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video on your site. Okay, first, you would go to youtube.com. Now, this is my first video because I just made a new account. Because I wanted to make a new account, you know. Okay, now I'm going to use that. And it can be any video. It could be yours, it could be somebody else's. And pause it, hit share, and then you would hit embed. And that gives you the C++ code for it. Okay, I would suggest 560 times 315 because it's the smallest. Okay, now you would copy this, it pre-selects it for you. You would go and make a new table all over again. Yeah, I know it sucks. Okay, table row, name it YouTube videos. Okay, now the table column, now the list item, and you put the link in there, and close list item, close the unorganized list, close the table column, and close the table. And save website and refresh. And you would hit allow block content. Promise you it will not harm your computer, it is just a YouTube video. And the cool thing about it is, if you click on it, it'll play it right from your website. It will not go to YouTube and play it. It will play it right from your website. And is that it? Yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you need help, go to HTML help or go to c++.com, or you can comment on this video, or you can send me a message and I will get back to you with an answer as soon as I can. So, hope you enjoy your website. Bye.